Hi, I'm Lenny UK and welcome to this episode of Tech Chat. Today I'm unboxing a care package received from Oppo. It is not going to be a mobile phone device, that's still on its way to me, but I thought we'll all have a look together at what they have sent me. So just opening up the box, and inside you can see a little thing in a very bubbly package. So when I pull this out of the package, what we have here is a nice little display showing the MariSilicon X NPU chip. So this is an actual chip from the Oppo Find X5 series of phones. The chips we've got here, I've been informed, are the sort of pre-production versions of the chips. They're test versions, but a good memento nonetheless, in what appears to be a nice display case as well. Next week I should be unboxing the Oppo Find X5 Pro, so we'll be looking forward to that, and I will see you then. Thanks.